This is the other elevator at 733 Washington Road in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This one's also an Otis Series 1, but this one was always an Otis Series 1. This one was not originally a Haughton. Go to lower lobby, because there's no Haughton logo down there. This one's brass. This is elevator B, not elevator 2. Here, Elo, this one's faster. Go up to 5. Panel's a bit loose. This one was always an Otis and was never a Haughton. It's also faster, and it's brass. It's weird how they have this elevator behind another door. It's kind of weird. You're at 5. Go back down the lobby. EDA phone. Again, pause if you want to read that. That's weird. Very nice cab. Same cab as the other one. Here you're at the lobby. This one is much faster than the other one. Notice. There's the time. And some other stuff in this little lobby. There it goes, and that's it. See what's weird is this isn't a weird enclosed door, and that's the other elevator.